Today, I wanted to talk briefly about the case of a woman in her 50s who was successfully treated for a meniscus tear at our clinic. She had been playing tennis for a long time since she was young. Recently, she came to our clinic complaining of knee pain that was stopping her from playing tennis. Upon examination, we found that her knee had significant swelling and she was experiencing a lot of pain when walking. She had been getting weekly hyaluronic acid injections at a nearby clinic, but they weren't helping at all. The X-ray revealed that the cartilage on the inner sides of both knees was worn down, resulting in a narrowing of the space between the bones. And here's the MRI scan. You can clearly see that the meniscus is torn horizontally. She's a passionate tennis player and chose stem cell therapy because she really wants to get back to playing tennis. We administered about 100 million fresh stem cells to her without freezing them. While we do have a cell processing facility for cryopreservation, we intentionally use non-frozen cells at our clinic. This method allows us to administer highly viable cells. We expanded the stem cells to 100 million and administered them. For about 3 weeks, she didn't notice any improvement. However, her pain gradually got better, and she reported that after 1 to 2 months, she felt almost no pain when walking or going up and down stairs. It's been over 6 months since she received the stem cell treatment, and now her pain has improved to the point where she can even play tennis again. Let me explain the features of our clinic's regenerative medicine. First, we can expand the stem cells to about 100 million. Secondly, we can administer stem cells without freezing them. This ensures that we're injecting highly viable stem cells. These two features allow us to significantly anticipate higher efficacy compared to typical stem cell treatments. Today, I explained meniscus tears in detail using various actual case studies and examples. Thanks for watching video.